It's 2022 and Jamaicans are still getting packed like sardines to go to work. Tell me why our transport system has not improved. The Jamaica Transit Company was founded in 1999. The enterprise is headquartered in Spanish Town, with its important hubs being Halfway Tree Transport Center in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew, North, West and South Parades NW's Parades in downtown Kingston, and the Spanish Town Bus Terminal. With all the improvements made from back in the day until present day, our transport system still seems to need room for improvement. If you want to reach to work on time, the practice is to use JUTC has your means of traveling. Do not make the mistake as to take a coaster, because it's as if you were playing a game of Russian roulette. Coaster drivers are known for driving on sidewalks, undertaking, and super loud music. Remember I mentioned in a previous video that on coaster buses there is a possibility that you might be robbed while coming from work. Well, I don't see this as mere coincidence, because it happens way too often to be coincidental. There is a particular coaster bus I used to take called Beelzebub, and every time I would take this bus would end up being robbed. Like, you can't tell me the driver and his conductor wasn't a part of setting that up. This was too obvious to ignore. Precious memories of what I don't like about taking public transportation. Big up to Meshik in my comment section for requesting this video. I think it's time the government figure out a way to make it more comfortable for you to travel on public transportation. It might cost a bit more, but it's so harassing to be standing in buses packed like a tin of Duddy Gal. Let's be real, times have changed, and so should the transport system.